Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on your Mac. Now for this you can just type in Chrome download for Mac in Google search, and then you can go to Google website, download and install Google Chrome. Go to the official website, and over here you can see Mac option. Click on Mac and then click on installation file, and then click on download Chrome. Now click on allow and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, you can just click over here and then run this DMG file. Click on it, and then over here you can see Chrome. Now you have to drag this Google Chrome to the application folder over here. Now once this is done, now open this application, make a double click, open this and find Chrome over here. So you can see Google Chrome, make a double click on Google Chrome and then click on open over here, and you can start using Google Chrome on your Mac. So this is how you can download, install and use Google Chrome. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.